The Reuben sandwich, the famous Reuben sandwich. You've probably seen it on tons of restaurant menus across the nation, and most of the time it's either really good or you're disappointed. Well, guess what? You're gonna love this. You're gonna make this from the comfort of your home in just a matter of minutes. I'm gonna show you how. The most important part of this sandwich is, of course, the special sauce. You gotta have that homemade Thousand Island dressing. Why? Because honestly, it just gives that tangy pop, that delicious special flavor, i.e. special sauce. And honestly, it couldn't be easier to make. Don't buy the jarred stuff, y'all. The jarred stuff, it just has so many nasty ingredients in it. And honestly, you probably already have everything you need right in your pantry or refrigerator. So why not just make it from your own home? Don't forget, you're gonna add some fresh ingredients. Finely diced onions. I like to use a little bit of a sweeter onion, but you can certainly use a yellow onion. Gonna add about a half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, not smoked, although that could be pretty good actually. And I think that's it, y'all. And that's it. We're just going to mix all of this together. On the griddle behind me, I already have it warming up. I just bought some shaved corned beef from my deli, and it's that simple. And honestly, it's cheaper as well. I'm gonna let that cook down for just a bit. And while that's cooking down, I wanna talk about the sauerkraut. I like to buy fresh sauerkraut. You can buy jarred, you can buy canned, however it is, just drain those juices off. Probably about a quarter cup of sauerkraut. You don't have to warm it up, but honestly, I like this sandwich nice and hot. Couple minutes on here, you can already see the caramelization within that corned beef. It all happens very fast. We're gonna let this cook for a few minutes, and then when we come back, we're gonna start building that sandwich. All right, it's been about 1 or 2 minutes. It is time to build that big old Reuben sandwich. You saw how quick that Reuben, the corned beef rather, took to make. Just enough to crisp it up. First things first, we gotta get our rye bread, which is obviously famous for a Reuben sandwich. Just gonna lay these down. Special sauce, here we go. It is already looking good because honestly, I love this stuff so much, I could just drink the bowl. I really could. Okay, so next is going to be our meat. Now I like to kind of lay it like an accordion because corned beef is kind of shaped weird, to be honest. It's almost like an oval when they slice it. We're gonna add our cheese, Swiss cheese, very important. My husband hates Swiss cheese. On a Reuben, he loves it. I don't know what it is, but he does. Okay, we've got our sauerkraut over here. Just going to take this, add a little bit to the top here. How beautiful is that caramelization on the sauerkraut? Now, here's the deal. This doesn't come on a traditional Reuben, but it comes on the Taylor Reuben. And the Taylor Reuben has got some pickles on it. I love a lightly fermented pickle, basically a cucumber soaked in vinegar. I'm going to put this on top here. The sandwich is ready to go. Now, also another important element to your build, butter. Y'all always know I gotta have the butter. So you're gonna slice off some salted butter. Take your butter and you're just going to lightly put it on the griddle here. This is going to add such beautiful coloring to your bread. Most importantly, flavor town in this. Going to press it just a little bit there. Little pro tip here, if you have a dome, just grab it, add a little water to the edge, close it where that sandwich is getting nice and hot, but most importantly, that cheese is getting nice and melted. Just another minute or so, we're gonna pull it off, let it sit for a minute, then we're gonna slice it. I like to do a little catty slice, but you could totally do a halfway slice here. Plate it, and oh my goodness, this looks so dreamy. I'm sorry, but this looks better than any restaurant Reuben I've ever seen. Let's dig in, try it. Big bite here.
I'm excited about that special sauce. I think that's key. And the addition of the pickles.
The sauce, the pickles, the sauerkraut, y'all, this is amazing. And it's such a big bite because I put so much meat on it, and that's the way to do it. jazzing up your sandwich by adding extra meat, extra cheese. The special sauce makes it. Do not skimp out on your sauce. Make it from home. Don't buy it in the store. In about 5-6 minutes, you have a delicious Reuben from the comfort of your home. But remember, to be again, they follow me everywhere. Compose yourself. At the end of the day, you want to keep it quick, you want to keep it simple, and you gotta keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers. Mm.